Some of the cars on this list are known to outlast supercars, costing 10 times more. And the number one choice regularly surpasses 300,000 miles with ease. But before we reveal it, let's count down the most reliable cars under $10,000 that truly earned their reputation. Welcome to Car Culture Hub, your ultimate destination for automotive excellence, smart ownership, and timeless engineering. Today, we're exploring vehicles that exemplify dependability, unmatched longevity, and real-world value. Let's explore. At number 10, we have the Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai has transformed itself from a budget manufacturer into a global symbol of reliability. Over the past 2 decades, the brand has focused relentlessly on quality control and long-term durability. Specifications. Powered by a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine producing around 148 horsepower, the Elantra delivers excellent fuel efficiency, often exceeding 35 miles per gallon on the motorway. Design and craftsmanship. Its clean, aerodynamic design remains modern, while the interior offers durable materials, intuitive controls, and surprising comfort for its class. Exclusivity and price. Well-maintained examples typically range from $6,000 to $9,000, making it one of the most affordable long-term ownership options. But moving to number 9, reliability meets Japanese precision. At number 9, we have the Mazda 3. Brand heritage. Mazda is renowned for engineering vehicles that seamlessly blend reliability with driver engagement. Specifications. A 2.0-liter engine producing up to 155 horsepower, paired with excellent chassis tuning and dependable mechanicals. Design and craftsmanship. Sporty exterior lines, well-bolstered seats, and interiors that age gracefully over time. Exclusivity and price. Expect prices between $7,000 and $9,500 for clean examples. However, our next entry offers German refinement without the German repair bills. At number 8, we have the Volkswagen Jetta. Brand heritage. Volkswagen's reputation is built on solid engineering and understated European design. Specifications. The naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine prioritizes longevity over speed, making it one of VW's most dependable powertrains. Design and craftsmanship. Minimalist interiors, supportive seating, and a composed ride quality. Exclusivity and price. Typically priced between $6,500 and $9,000. But taking things to another level, number 7 is built on legendary durability. At number 7, we have the Honda Fit. Brand heritage. Honda represents the pinnacle of small engine reliability and efficient packaging. Specifications. A 1.5-liter engine delivering remarkable fuel economy and mechanical simplicity. Design and craftsmanship. The Magic Seat system allows unmatched interior versatility in a compact footprint. Exclusivity and price. Prices range from $6,000 to $8,500. And now, before we continue, if you're enjoying this journey through automotive excellence, hit that subscribe button. We bring you the finest automotive insights every week. At number 6, we have the Toyota Corolla. Brand heritage. Toyota's reputation for reliability is simply unparalleled. Specifications. A 1.8-liter engine known to exceed 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Design and craftsmanship. Understated functional, and engineered to endure decades of daily use. Exclusivity and price. Commonly found between $7,000 and $9,500. Transition hook. But the top 5 represent true automotive longevity. At number 5, we have the Lexus ES 350. Brand heritage. Lexus exemplifies luxury fused with Toyota-grade reliability. Specifications. A 3.5-liter V6 producing over 270 horsepower with exceptional durability. Design and craftsmanship. Premium leather, sound insulation, and serene ride quality. Exclusivity and price. Luxury for $8,000 to $10,000. And we're only halfway through. And the top 5 are absolutely extraordinary. Which one is your favorite so far? Drop a comment below. At number 4, we have the Subaru Outback. Brand heritage. Subaru is synonymous with all-wheel drive reliability. Specifications. Boxer engines paired with legendary AWD systems. Design and craftsmanship, built for all-weather confidence and long-distance travel. Exclusivity and price, available from $7,500 to $10,000. But reliability doesn't stop there. At number 3, we have the Honda Accord, brand heritage, a benchmark for mid-size reliability. Specifications, available 4-cylinder and V6 engines with proven endurance. Design and craftsmanship, spacious, refined, and exceptionally well-built. Exclusivity and price. Prices sit between $7,000 and $9,500. And now the final 2. At number 2, we have the Toyota Prius, brand heritage. Toyota's hybrid leadership is unmatched. Specifications, hybrid systems proven to last over 300,000 miles. Design and craftsmanship, purpose-built efficiency with remarkable reliability. Exclusivity and price, typically $6,500 to $9,000. But nothing compares to number 1. Number 1 reveal. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 most reliable car under $10,000 is dramatic reveal. The Toyota Camry. In-depth coverage, 90s. The Toyota Camry represents a pinnacle of long-term automotive reliability. Its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 3.5-liter V6 engines are legendary for durability, frequently exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. Built with conservative engineering, exceptional quality control, and proven components, the Camry has become the gold standard for dependable transportation worldwide. Interior materials resist wear, mechanical systems are over-engineered, and ownership costs remain remarkably low, with prices ranging from $7,000 to $10,000. The Camry offers peace of mind that few vehicles at any price can match. This is why it earns the number 1 position. This is the pinnacle of automotive reliability. From number 10 to number 1, each vehicle represents durability, intelligent engineering, and long-term value. Which car would you choose if reliability was your top priority? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It helps us create more premium content. Subscribe to Car Culture Hub for exclusive journeys into the world of automotive excellence. From enduring daily drivers to the finest machines ever built, we bring the ultimate in motoring.